Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. If you are new here, please make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're already here. You do not want to miss any of the future videos that we are going to do. Lots of unboxing and review videos, and they're always so much fun. So I hope that you do decide to subscribe. Sorry, I can't talk today. And as you can see from the description, we are going to be unboxing my BH Cosmetics haul. I'm super excited to do this. I did this order when they were having a big 40% off sale, and they had also kindly sent me an email for an additional 20% off and free shipping. So I got everything in this box for around like $30. You can't beat that. So and honestly, aside from like 3 or 4 of the items, I really don't remember what all is in here. So it's kind of gonna be a little bit of a surprise for me as well as you guys. So let's go ahead and get our little friend here and get the box open. And I apologize, you guys, for the lack of eye makeup today, and if I sound a little bit nasally, again, I apologize. My allergies for some reason are just giving me a fit. My eyes are really red and watery, and like I said, if I sound a little bit nasally, I apologize. I did not do any eyeshadow or mascara today. I had to do my eyeliner because that's something that I always have to do, but I just couldn't do too much because it's a mess. So anyway, moving right along. So this lots of stuff in here. All right. Ooh, okay. Okay, so this is the first thing. This is a Blending Face Trio 3-piece Blending Face Trio 3-piece brush set. Open it and take a look. I got this now that I remember. Yes. Yes. Because I have tons of brushes, but my fan brush is kind of small, and I wanted one that was bigger, fluffier, better. Pow! That is a fan brush. Woo. Woo. I mean, if you're hot. So I was super excited to find this. They are super soft. Oh my goodness. Super, super soft. And then it also came with this brush. It's great for highlighting. I have a brush similar that I use for my highlighting. And it's very soft and dense. So is this big fan brush and this brush. So this would be good for all sorts of things. So I'm just excited, super excited for this fan brush, you guys. I mean, like I said, ooh. Sorry, my allergies have me feeling off, and I'm just extra goofy today, so bear with me. So yay. Okay, so that was one item. I mean, it was 3, but it was technically 1. And what is this? This is BH Studio Pro Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. I told you guys I don't remember half of what I ordered. Oh, I remember ordering this now because it was cute. All right. So it's just a eye and lip makeup remover, but I like how it was like separated. And it just says, using a cotton pad, gently wipe face, eyes, and lips. So, makeup remover. I love my makeup wipes, but every now and then something like that is great to have. I have no idea what this is. There's nothing on it. Oh, okay, I remember now. The little kabuki brush. I love these. I have one and it was on its last leg, so got a new one. And it's very, oh my goodness, y'all, these are so soft. Oh, love it. Alrighty, and this is High Shine Lip Gloss. I know I love my lip gloss. Nude Rose. And the color is Fairy. Ooh. Oh, that is what it looks like. Super, super cute. I have lip gloss on. But let's see if, oh, you guys, it smells good. And it feels really good. That is like awesome. I feel it's just as good as my Tarte lip gloss. And I love this color. So yay. And here we have another lip gloss. Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale. Enhancing lip gloss. That does not tell me the color. It may have just been one color option, I'm not sure. Let me check. Oh no! Oh god, I remember this now. This is Hibiscus. How pretty is that? Obviously I don't want like 18 layers of lip gloss going on my lips here. So we'll just do like a little swatch on my hand. That is so pretty. You see? And it's so shiny. Oh my goodness. Ooh, yay. I'm building up my lip gloss collection, you guys. I have rediscovered a love for lip gloss. Okay, I'm getting this. This is because I have a couple of eyeliners, and the one I'm actually wearing today. Sorry, I told you guys my eyes are really bothering me. It is the Butter London. It is actually a pencil that you have to sharpen, and it's by far my favorite eyeliner ever. But I ordered a new, I kept getting tired of the little one I had. Always had the little, like when you would sharpen it, it would have the little piece of the black stuff. And sometimes because I just toss it into my makeup bag, it would get black stuff everywhere. So I really liked coming across this one because it had a lid. So it's just a sharpener, but it does have two sizes too, so you have like a bigger lip liner or something, that would be great. And then we've got, okay, I remember this now. This is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro false eyelashes, and Doesn't really have like a name, but I liked that these actually came with the glue. How pretty are they? So that was super, super cute. And then, okay, I'm gonna show you these next two items first. I am very happy to have these because I really needed them. So this is the first one. It is like a leather, looks like marble with a pretty rose gold BH Cosmetics makeup brush holder. I don't know if you guys can tell there, it's kind of like a slanted, but it does have the BH Cosmetics. And I just thought this was super cute. The marble look with the rose gold. And like I said, it's like a leather. So, yes. Super excited. And I did get us another one. This one is, yeah, they've got somehow a little plastic right here. Was there plastic on the other one? Is that why it didn't show up? This is just a simple, sorry y'all, there's those little gel, little things that were in there. Keep them fresh, I guess. This is just a simple black leather. And again, the BH Cosmetics. So I'm really excited. I really needed some makeup brush holders. So I was super happy to find those. What is this? I've got some paper and stuff down in here. This I think is just some little flyers explaining different products that they have, like different palettes. Let me see here. It doesn't have like a packing slip to tell me exactly what I paid, but like I said, I want to say it was around like $30-ish, $32. And you can, I mean, just what I've already shown you guys, and then I still have 2 more items. And they are like super wrapped up. Really wrapped up. Sorry for the noise. Back in there. Alright. Make some room here. Okay, so these 2 items I'm very excited for. The first one, I'm going to just take it out of the box because the box looks exactly the same, is the BH Cosmetics Wild Child 9 color baked eyeshadow palette. How cute is that? And these colors, you guys, even better in person. Do you see this? They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And they're all shimmery, which I love shimmery. So beautiful. So I'm super excited about that palette. And we have one more. Go ahead and take it out of the pretty box. And this is the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection 15 color shadow palette. And it is super, super pretty. So pretty. It's like mirrored. So I don't want to blind you guys. How beautiful are these shades, y'all? Like, you see there's some matte, some shimmer, but do they not scream fall, which I'm so ready for. Like, I'm beyond ready for. Like, beautiful. I am super, super excited. So, and again, I think the packaging is really pretty. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, 2 lip glosses, this makeup remover, some false lashes, the little sharpener, the 2 makeup brush holders, the little kabuki brush, and then this 3-piece set with this awesome, awesome fan brush, all for like 30 bucks. That's what I said. You got to love BH Cosmetics. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Try not to drop anything here because I was putting it all in my hands as I was showing everything again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I definitely recommend going over to BH Cosmetics and checking out their products. Like I said, all of this was like $30. So, I mean, you really cannot beat that. And I am all about a bargain, so it was right up my alley. Speaking of bargain, I'm super excited. I have something else coming in today, and I am so excited. I was hoping to get it before I did this video, but I've got to take my son to get a haircut for school starting back on Monday, so I wanted to go ahead and film before I did that. But I finally am getting my cat ears, you guys. I'm so excited. I know that they're super, super popular, and I think they are so adorable, and I finally went on Amazon. You know, you guys know I love Amazon. And I found an adorable pair. They're silver and like the outline of rhinestone for the actual ear. $3.97. And they were Prime. So, free 2-day shipping. $3.97. I love bargains. And if you can get awesome stuff at a bargain, I'm all about it. So, again, definitely hop over. I will link their website down below for BH Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe and watch all of our future videos. We do, like I said, unboxing and review videos. It's so much fun. Subscription box unboxing, which is great too. So, have a wonderful day. Do not forget, once you have subscribed, or if you already are subscribed, to make sure that you enter our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. That link will also be below. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and until the next video, I will talk with you guys later. Bye.